Hey there, welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today we are talking keto cheese tortilla, my friend. That's right, keto cheese tortillas. You probably heard about these. A lot of people are talking about them on Facebook today, I've seen, where they've seen these in Walmart and in other grocery stores. And so I'm going to show you how to make them really cheaply, really easily, less than 10 minutes. You've got tortillas made out of cheese, and it's pretty cool. I think you're going to like this recipe, so let's get started. My oven is preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and here's what you'll need to make this recipe. Shredded cheese. This is shredded sharp cheddar. I bought it already shredded. Often I don't do that. I like to buy my cheese in blocks and shred it myself. I think you get better cheese that way. This is perfect for this. You need this. You need a sheet pan with some parchment paper, and parchment paper, not Silpat, and don't spray it or use foil or something like that. It won't work. You also need a measuring cup. For taco-sized tortillas, I use 1/3 of a cup measure, or for those of you outside the United States, about 50 grams. I don't really pack it in or anything, but I want to make sure the cup is full. And I'm just going to, let me show you how we do this. Make a little mound of it. This is very much like my Parmesan cheese chips. And we're just going to make it into a circle, more or less, and repeat. See, that's going to make a nice, and they'll spread a little bit. This is going to make a nice hand-sized shell for tacos. If you want it a little bigger, you just use more cheese. I'm not even going to measure this one. I'm going to use about 1/2 cup here. 1/2 cup is about 100 grams. There we go. Here, my oven is preheated. These go on in the oven for about 8 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on them though. It might take a little longer, a little less long. We don't want them to burn, so watch them closely. After 9 minutes in the oven, here's what they look like. You can see there's a little browning going on around the edges, and they're really bubbly, and they're super hot right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow them to cool on a wire rack. After just a minute or two, these are ready to be picked up. They're still warm, so work quickly. And I lay them over the side of a bowl so they'll take the shape of a taco shell. And here we're just going to let them cool until they're in that shape. They're always going to be pliable and a little chewy, but there you go. And then we're going to use these later on for, I'm going to use them for tacos. And here's what we end up with. Not bad, right? Looks like the real item. You can see from my fingers that it's greasy. It's cheese, right? Now, of course, you could dab that off with a paper towel. I'm not really going to bother to do that because I accept that this is cheese. And I'm going meatless today, so I'm going to add some shredded spinach, some nice cherry tomatoes, some cilantro, some sour cream in there, as well as a little dollop of my tomatillo green sauce from the tomatillas in my backyard. Anyway, get that in there. And there you have it. The cheese tortilla taco. Well, all right, let's give it a taste here. Really nice. Really holds your ingredients in well. It's very nice. It's a little greasy on the outside, but keep your napkin handy. It's just delicious. Listen, I hope you'll try this recipe, and I also hope that you'll like, share, comment, and especially subscribe, which helps my channel grow. Thanks for watching us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.